Today we'll be turning the Sonic characters into helicopters. But before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out new videos. Amy Rose as a helicopter. Tails as a helicopter. Dr. Eggman as a helicopter. Robot Omega is a helicopter. Metal Sonic as a helicopter. Knuckles as a helicopter. Crim the Rabbit as a helicopter. Big the Cat as a helicopter. Vector the Crocodile as a helicopter. Espio the Chameleon as a helicopter. Mighty the Armadillo as a helicopter. Blaze the Cat as a helicopter. Charmy the Bee as a helicopter. Stig the Badger as a helicopter. Silver the Hedgehog as a helicopter. Shadow the Hedgehog as a helicopter. Rouge the Bat as a helicopter. Sonic the Hedgehog as a helicopter. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video and watch other videos on this channel.